how to turn on and off silent mode on your iPhone. This video also applies for iPhone 16 and 17, basically the iPhones that have the action button. So how do you turn on silent mode? Well, if you have an older iPhone, it was just a toggle, right? If not, you can just go to settings. In settings, scroll down till you see sounds and haptics. In sounds and haptics, the first option that is available is silent mode. So if I just turn it off, you can see silent mode is currently turned off. And if I turn it back on, it is going to turn back on, and it is indicated by a small bell icon with a strike through it that it is on silent mode. But as you can see, this is an iPhone with an action key. So how to turn on silent mode with that action key? For that, you want to be in settings again till you see action button. In action button, I have set it to silent mode. You can have it set to focus mode, to open camera, torch, etc. But if I have put it on silent mode, now if I press and hold the action key, you can see that it is actually toggling through silent mode and ring mode, which is very handy. So that is how easy it is. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.